Hi there, and welcome to Fluent English Story Vault. Get ready to listen closely. Repeat with confidence. Focus on every word. One day, you'll speak English fluently. Let's get started. The day he got his first salary, he didn't buy anything for himself. He took a bus, walked 15 minutes, and stood in front of a small house with old windows. His hands were shaking. Santiago was 22 years old. He lived in a small city and studied at night. During the day, he worked at a bakery. It was not easy. He stood on his feet for 9 hours. His back hurt. His hands were dry, but he never complained. He had one goal: to support his mother. His father had died 5 years ago. Since then, his mother cleaned homes to earn money. She never asked for help, but Santiago saw the pain in her eyes. One Friday, his boss gave him an envelope. It was his first salary, just enough to pay the rent or buy food. Santiago looked at the money. He thought for a moment. New shoes, a phone, maybe a jacket. But no. He took a bus to his mother's house. She opened the door and smiled. Santiago, what a surprise. He sat down and put the envelope on the table. This is for you, Mom. Her smile disappeared. She looked at the envelope, then at Santiago. No, you need this more, she said. I do, he replied. I need to see you rest, just once. His mother's eyes filled with tears. She held his hand. I'm proud of you, she whispered. That night, they ate simple food, but their hearts were full. Some gifts have no price. A small act of love can carry the weight of 1,000 words.